Hello chemistry students! This is the weekly overview for Learning Week number 7, March 1st to March 5. And as you know, the quarter 3 is approaching to an end, and so is the current project we're working on. So next week, it's going to be a normal week, kind of. So we are going to still work on the checkpoint 6, but the second part of it. On Tuesday, I give you some additional time to work on the checkpoint 6 PhET activity, which you started this week. And if you're done with the PhET activity on Tuesday, you can look ahead to the next part of the checkpoint 6, which is to construct a claim evidence analysis paragraph to explain weak and strong acids. That will be completed on Summit Learning. I made some slides to accompany the checkpoint to give you an example of a paragraph and to explain the expectations for Summit. So that's checkpoint 6 on Summit Learning, which is the writing of a paragraph to explain. Actually, you will have to write 4 little paragraphs for 4 different scenarios. That will be due on Thursday, March 4th. On Friday, March 5th, you have to turn in your checkpoint 1. Obviously, I asked you to turn it in by the end of the project, so I will accept it, after that, but this is a suggested deadline, so you don't fall behind. And on Monday, it's SDL, so please use your time to review checkpoints, make revisions if necessary, catch up on checkpoints, and catch up on focus areas. I will talk to you soon.